Okay, so a tip for people who are going to install their kit. Obviously, I'm molding mine up because I put it in a vise and I try to get it off. I have to wait for the tool. Use some anti-seize lubricant. It doesn't have to be high temperature, but some anti-seize lubricant on your crank arm here, where the threads are, in between the steel and aluminum, so that it can come off. Because if you put it on here and don't use it, then the steel and aluminum kind of the aluminum squishes in between the steel, and it gets stuck. So use some anti-seize lubricant between these two parts. That way you can get it off when you need to.